Howdy YouTubers, this is No Niche Nick. Welcome to a video about absolutely nothing. Why is it about nothing? Because I'm learning about video editing. So I'm using this video as an example to have a play around with a couple of apps that I have learnt about, how to add words and add links and all that razzmatazz. So I thought I'd give it a go and give you a video about absolutely nothing while I try my hand to learn about video editing and how to make these videos somewhat better with better lighting and better text and more doodackies and what have you to bring it into the modern era and make it less like 1980 and more like 2021. So I found an free editing software appy thing for Android, and I'm going to give that a go, add a few bits and bobs on this and see how I'm going to try and add something up there when I'm in the right place in the video, and I might even add something up there as well, and even down there, but we'll just see. So just going to have a play round so I can get my head around how this video editing works, and it's going to be trial and error. And the other thing I've learned is about lighting. So obviously my first two videos were very real, I suppose is the best description, very amateur. So give me a while and I will learn as I go. So join me on this journey as I discover the wonders of the internet and the wonders of YouTube video channels. Thank you to my 6 or maybe 7 now subscribers. Only 993 to go and 4,000 hours worth of watching, or something like that, 1,000 hours, whatever it is. So yeah, we will continue on this rather interesting journey together and see how we get on. I did go for a great ride on the bike actually yesterday, sorry. Great weather, and I was going to do a video while I was out, but I've realised now I need it's called a selfie stick, I think is the official term, so that I can actually do it properly, because my arms just aren't long enough, and we want to make this look somewhat more professional than what it does. So anyway, you have a great day out there in internet land, and I hope you're having a productive one, a good one. Be kind, and I shall talk to you again soon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, No Niche Nick. Click the subscribe button, and over here maybe click the thumbs up thing that you need to do, so that all helps with the YouTube algorithm apparently. So have a good one. Okay, bye bye.